Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to streamline your Telegram experience by adding non-contacts to your personal folder directly on your PC. This new update makes organizing your chats smoother than ever. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Look to the left side menu, where all your chats and folders are listed. Find the Personal folder here. This is your hub for priority conversations. Right-click on it, and a menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. You'll now see a screen where you can customize this folder. Look for the Add Chats button and click it. A window will appear, letting you choose which chats to include. Here's where the new update shines. Scroll through the options until you spot non-contacts. Select it to add all users who aren't saved in your contacts but still matter. Think colleagues, community members, or frequent group participants. Once you've selected non-contacts, review the list to ensure it's accurate. Telegram lets you add up to 200 chats to a folder, so you've got plenty of room. When you're satisfied, click Save at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Save again to lock in your changes. And that's it. Your personal folder now includes non-contacts, keeping everything organized in one place. No more digging through endless chats to find that important message from a group or an acquaintance. This feature is perfect for anyone juggling multiple roles. Whether you're managing a project, running a community, or just want to separate personal chats from the noise. Why does this matter? Well, imagine you're part of a professional group where members aren't in your contacts. Before this update, their messages might get lost in the all chats clutter. Now, you can prioritize them alongside close friends and family. It's all about efficiency. Your time matters, and Telegram's folders help you reclaim it. One quick tip. If you ever need to tweak the folder again, just repeat the steps. You can remove or add chats anytime, tailoring the space to your needs. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to take control of your Telegram inbox. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.